everyone, welcome back to the another episode of In Conversation with the Future Leaders, powered by the Communicator. So today in this episode, I have a very special guest who is a true example of beauty with brain, Prerna Bhardwaj. She is an alumni of Kirorimal College. She was also a NCC under officer, a public speaker, and captain of chess team. So I'm just waiting for Prerna to join in, and we will start this talk show.
Hi
Yeah.
Anushka, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
How are things in Delhi? Are people getting back to normal?
Yes, I was just out all day, so yeah, the life is normal right now.
Okay, that's nice. So let's start this. So my
Yeah,
first question is something I ask to everybody who is from Delhi University,
okay,
because someone
okay.
who goes to University, they think that it's going to be like a Karan Johar's movie, full of fashion, romance, songs, but it's not like that. So how would you describe your college life?
So to begin with, college life is not as it is being seen in the movies. It's just a regular life, though it is exciting since move out from school and you go to a college and you have so much of freedom. You make new friends and everything is so new and you have everything to explore. So yeah, somehow it's a little dreamy, but we cannot say it's all like the movie show. Not
Right.
exactly the fashion shows, obviously. And Delhi University mein jana is like nothing less than working hard the entire 1 year in class 12. So I
Right.
believe more than a fashion show, it's a meeting of intellectuals and so
Right.
many talented people around.
Right, right. So, tell us about your NCC experience. You were in NCC for 3 years and you were also selected as the master of ceremony. So, how was your whole experience of NCC?
So basically, I was that kid who was so lazy that I did not even, get up early, or I was that kid who hated to do any sort of physical activity. But then
Okay.
I always had this craze of, seeing people in the uniform and wearing a uniform one day. So then when I came to college, I see so many NCC volunteers, coming up and asking if you want to join NCC. So,
Mm-hmm.
it really charmed me. And the very next thing I remember was NCC was the first society that I joined. And ever since then, my life has changed because from being such a lazy kid to, doing a camp where I have to get up 4 a.m. in the morning and, we
Mm-hmm.
have to do so much of physical work, which a lazy kid obviously hated. And then achieving so much in NCC, it's been a really wonderful experience. It gave me a lot of exposure, you know, and made me a stronger person, made me more vocal, made me more confident. And there are
Mm-hmm.
so many things that I learned that a civilian cannot. So yeah, I will always cherish that.
And what was this a master of ceremony? Can you just describe it?
Okay, so the master of ceremony is basically selected one person from entire India in
Mhm.
any national camp, which hosts the closing ceremony. So that all-rounder kid is selected as an MC, and that person, just addresses the entire closing ceremony and gets a gold medal from the DJ itself.
Oh, this is something, you must have felt very proud for this.
Yeah, that was one golden moment in my college life.
So, this was in first year or which
No, it
year?
was in second year. First year, may you have to do just one basic camp, that is CATC. That is a compulsory camp. In second year, you get to do so many camps.
And how long for this camp goes?
TSC is basically a camp which is minimum for 42 days. That goes on 10 days, then 12 days, then 10 days, then the final camp is of 12 days.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah,
it must be very hardworking. I can't even imagine because I have never been into NCCs. My friends were, so I used to see them. They
yeah.
used to go to camps, but I was never there. So for me, it's very hard to imagine that life. So
True
tell us
that.
about your chess team. You were the captain of chess team. So
Yeah.
proudest moment for being a captain. What was the proudest moment for you?
Okay, so basically, I was admitted in my college through my percentage only. I scored pretty well in class 12. But then we had this one vacancy of girls in the chess team. So I played nationals in my school life. So I was selected in the college girls chess team. So from past 9 years, we were not getting any medal. But when I was in second year, we won second position in the inter-college championship. And everybody was so proud because from the past 9 years, we did not even, stood in top 5, and then accidentally getting second position in DU Inter College was a really big thing. So everybody was so happy, and so that how it went.
This is something inspiring. So, Prerna, I was in girls' college. I was in Daulat Ram,
Yeah.
the same batch, I think 2018.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
being in a girls' college, what I noticed, girls used to get all the
Hmm.
opportunities, being it's in politics, academics,
Hmm.
anything. But I didn't notice the same thing in the co-ed college, because in co-ed
Hmm.
college, you find any girl president, college president like that. So, do you also feel the same? What is the main reason for this? What is your thoughts?
Uh, what I believe is, since in girls' college there are no stereotypical thinking that is there, which sets the parameter for two different genders to go into the politics. But it has been a trend in co-ed colleges, especially in my college, that if certain girl tries to enter politics, that the image is tarnished, and there are so many negative allegations, rumors that are being spread, so that mentally demotivates so many people, that really want to come into politics, and have the capability to really be there at the position and do something for the students. That's what I believe, that this gender biasness and this prejudice that has been coming from a very long time, that this is a area where boys must and girls should not step into this.
Like this
So
is
that's why,
this is guys can do, this is girls can do, that type of thing.
yeah. But
Okay.
yeah, girls are coming, they are contesting. So I believe someday we'll see some president in Kirudhumal College also.
Very soon. I also want to see that happen someday in Delhi University.
No,
So,
in Delhi University, DUSU politics, mein to there have been many female
yeah,
candidates.
yeah.
But in specifically in college politics, there are very less chances of women to contest college president. At max they'll be the secretary in the union, but being a president is something boys think they own that thing.
Mhm.
And that is where this prejudice needs to end, that if a boy can handle the presidentialship very well, so can any girl.
Yeah, right. So how NCC helped you to, become a better person?
Okay. So basically, as I told you, I was not at all, physically very active. And I, from being so lazy, I started doing fitness activities. Became a morning person when I was in NCC. And there are not just physical activities, I have learned self-defense in NCC. I've learned yoga in NCC. There
Mhm.
are so many things. Also, the kind of exposure that NCC gives. Like, for
Mhm.
example, we were taught firing, we were taught judging distance, map reading. So in case if I ever get lost in some jungle, I can figure out without any map that where I am, just through my diagonals. And more than that, NCC I believe is very important for every person, not just a girl or a boy, for both of them, because it actually awakens the strong person that is inside you, and it gives you a taste of that army life, and just pushes you to do better and better every day. So I believe every person should be a part of NCC once in their life.
Yeah, it makes you more self-disciplined, and it also helps you to
Yeah,
grow physically plus mentally. Right.
yeah,
So
true that.
you were also very active in all the extracurricular activities. So what do you think about the importance of communication in the holistic development of a student?
Well, I believe that the major part in any activity is communication. For example, when I came to DU, I was not a person who used to, fear the stage, but, there's some sort of hesitation since you move to a new place, and, there are so many new people around. But then when I entered into these societies, the thing that I learned is you are going to make mistakes, right?
Right.
But the kind of exposure that in that NCC or debating societies or NSS or any other activity, in fact the gender forum in our
Mhm.
college, Parivartan, I was once a part of it. So the debates, the discussions that goes on there on very sensitive topic, it gives you so much of confidence to speak up for yourself or speak up for the world that you actually want to be in. So that's what I think, that not if DU doesn't do any good to you academically, it will surely make you a person who is ready to face the world. That's what I believe.
That's great. So next thing is I have planned a very fun like rapid fire for you.
Okay.
So are you
Okay.
ready for this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So first question is North Campus or South Campus?
North Campus.
Yeah, always.
Always, without any doubt.
Yeah. Second is Sudama ki chai or FMS ki canteen?
Sudama ki chai, any day.
Right. Next question is if you could fix one problem in the world, what would you fix?
I would fix mental peace of everybody. You know, there are so many things that can be fixed, but the first thing I would like to fix is, you know, everybody, the importance of mental health. Like everybody focuses on every aspect, but you know, even in today's time, mental health is so ignored that, you know, many people are into depression, many people are into stress, many people are dying, and nobody cares when they're alive. So
Right.
that's what I would like to change.
This is something you can't even share to your parents or family. So yeah.
True that.
Right. Coming to the next question, it's what were your favorite hangout points in North Campus?
Kirodimal College Backgate. All of us, you know, go to the Backgate because KMC ka Backgate used to open in Kamla Nagar, or the second point was Hudson Lane. So
Yeah.
these were the two places where we used to go the most.
So next question is one place where someone can find you most of the time.
In my college days, Ashoka lawn of my college.
Okay. And apart
there
from
are
college,
all the apart from college, outside ABVP office or DUSU office.
okay. So now people will come and find you there.
No. Abhi everything is closed. Abhi I'm not nowhere to be found.
Right. So 3 words for KMC.
Love of my life. I love KMC.
Okay. 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 I was expecting 3 different. You said in one.
Okay. If differently 3 words, I would say love, dream, and memories. These 3 words, you know, sum up my Kirodimal college life.
So yeah, last question for this rapid fire. If you could replace one character of a movie or any TV series, which character would you replace?
I would replace Nimrit there was one show that came, you know, in which she was the first girl officer to join the para forces, and
Yes. I don't remember.
Nimrit Khera was the actress. I guess the name was Command, or I don't remember the name. I was just watching it 2 months back, so I really want to replace. Abhi to filhal I have that in my mind.
Nimrit or what?
Her name is Nimrit only.
Nimrit.
So basically the series is about how there are always boys in, you know, para forces of the army, but then there's one girl who has the capability, and then she is the first female ever to join the para forces, special forces basically. So I would like to replace.
Okay. Yeah, so this was the last question. Well played, you have answered all the questions. So yeah, so before I hang up this call, my last question is, what advice would you like to give all the students who are going to college this year, because you were very active in the extracurricular activities? So what advice you want to give to the students?
So the very first advice I would like to give everybody is choose your circle very wisely. There's no harm in, you know, contacting people and making so many friends around, but the first thing that you should be focused on is the overall development. Because if I would have only been into friendship, I wouldn't have been able to do so many things that I did. So explore, join as many societies as you can, because ultimately college may you'll get through the college, you'll get through the exams if you study 1 week prior also. So your priority should be to explore these 3 years so efficiently that you always have so much to cherish. So that's what I would like to say. And most importantly, there has been a trend that is going on. People are getting into smoking and drinking when they come to Delhi. So that is one thing that I would like to tell, that it may sound cool to you, but eventually you will just learn you have destroyed 3 years of your college life in just drinking and smoking. So that is one thing everybody that comes from outside or is from Delhi also should ignore when they enter this beautiful phase of their life.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like these were very nice points. I would also advise the same, because this, like the smoking and drinking that you said, it's something, it
Hmm.
sounds fancy, but it's not going to make your life. So this
True
is
that.
something secondary you can keep, right? So you were right for this. So thank you so much, Prerna, for joining us. It was really nice talking to you, and I wish you all the best for your life ahead. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, Anushka. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Anushka. Bye.